All right, today what we're going to be looking at is how is the motion of an object judged with respect to some other object or point. And what we need to talk about is what I brought for you today, actually, for us to look at, is I brought my friend Eric Church here, which I don't really know Eric, but I thought since he came to school here, I'd use him. But motion is always judged with respect to some other object or point. Okay? Now, if I just put up this blank page here, and I put Eric in front of it, can we really describe where he is? It really doesn't look any different at all, does it? Can you see him on the video?
Yes.
Now, if I put him up above, then we could say he's above the board. If I put him below, well, then he'd be under the carpet, so we can't really do that. If I could say on this side or on this side of the board, then we could do that, but that's when we're actually describing him with respect to a point. So, motion is always, like I said, judged with respect to some other object or point. We could say that Eric is in front of his guitar. We could say he's above his guitar. We could say he's below his guitar. We could say he's to my right or your left of the guitar. You see how that's to a point. We could say that Eric is under the tree. We could say he's getting ready to go in his house. We could say he's north of his house. We could say he's south, west, or east of his house. So anytime we're talking about motion, what we're really talking about is an object like this Eric Church bobblehead from the Hickory Crawdads last year, or some year.
It's last year.
At any rate, what we're looking at is an object with respect to the place of another thing. And usually you don't pick something like a guitar. I just did that because, you know, he plays guitar. You usually try to pick something like this house or this tree here that doesn't really move. Got it? Great.